In this complex world, there is a psychological phenomenon that often affects individuals: narcissism. Narcissism is an excessive self-love, deriving satisfaction from recognition and the pursuit of superiority. Let's delve deeper into this complex nature without using words. Narcissists are often obsessed with their appearance. The mirror becomes their faithful companion, reflecting eternal beauty in their eyes. They spend hours polishing and beautifying themselves, seeking validation from the outside world. Narcissists are attention seekers. They stand before the crowd, capturing the eyes and admiration of those around them. They crave to be noticed and recognized, feeling empowered when they hold control over others' attention. Empathy is often not a characteristic possessed by narcissists. They tend to be indifferent to the feelings and needs of others. They live in their own selfish world, pursuing their own desires and needs without considering the consequences. In this digital world, narcissists have found a new stage: social media. They seek recognition through likes and comments flooding their perfect photos. But in this pursuit, do they find true satisfaction? However, beneath the layers of narcissism lies a deep void. When the spotlight and recognition fade, they become trapped in a hollow self-reflection. Outer beauty cannot fill the inner loneliness. Yet, not all narcissists are incapable of change. Some seek solutions in a deeper self-understanding. They realize that true happiness is not derived from the praise of others, but from the quest for inner self-discovery. When the power of narcissism subsides, how far can one find happiness in sharing? When narcissists choose to look outward and understand others, perhaps, just perhaps, there is a chance for genuine growth and transformation. In this short documentary, we have witnessed the hidden side of narcissism: the pursuit of beauty, the desire for attention, indifference towards others, and inner void. However, behind it all, there is hope for growth and transformation. We learn that only by looking outward and understanding others can we find the path to true happiness.